like? Can you see yourself? What do you look like, OG?
Yeah, I look like a mix between, like Pirates of the Caribbean. Like I got the locks, like I got locks like the Pirates of the Caribbean for some reason, but it's like crystals in my head, and then I'm like 10 feet, like one of those blue avatars, but my structure is like mixed between uh Dragon Ball Z character, and it's mixed between uh a Naruto character. I don't know if you know what that is, but it's like mixed between that, and then my skin is blue with like tribal markings on my face, and then for some reason I have like, like beauty marks or whatever, like moles, black moles and stuff. My black moles is like, they're like patchy cosmic color, like stardust, black stardust as my beauty marks. I got like three. One on my forearm, it's pretty big, and then one on my stomach, and then one on my neck.
Wow. Did you say you had tattoos as well?
Tribal markings. It looks like, it looks like tribal markings, and then
Wow.
the beauty marks. I said beauty marks. Like moles.
Yep.
Like they're like black stardust.
Yeah, that is dope. That's interesting. I had someone else that had tribal marks, and she had three. They look like three stars and some squiggly lines. So I'm wondering if there's a connection there. Interesting. Beautiful. You guys are doing awesome. I hope you're enjoying this. Okay, so let's go. We're going to travel through Nibiru. So you have your compass, so you know where your ship's at, so you don't get lost. Make sure you mark your connection, mark your GPS, so you know how to get back. And we're going to take a trip. So you're going to go see yourself leaving now. You're exiting. You can either follow each other, or somebody can take off first and go wherever you choose to. You can go together or go separately, but you're going to do this for about, we're going to do this for about, 15, 20 something minutes. So I hope you have a good experience. So let's go. We're going to take a journey. Make sure I hope you grab some snacks. If not, you'll have to get some food while you're out there if you get hungry. So see yourself now finding an idea where you might want to go. So um, you're going to, let's see, pull out your compass and give a tap, and it's going to connect with you telepathically, and it's going to already know exactly where you want to go. So tap it, get your coordinates, see yourself putting it in and taking off, and go travel to where it is you're supposed to go. And as you go, you're going to take a good look of everything that's happening all around you. Take a good look what you see. You're sightseeing as well, so don't drive too fast. You want to be able to take a good look and see, so you can get have a memory of all this clear. And you're going to see yourself getting to a destination now, and you're going to be there now. And so you could either be by yourself or see people all around you. And so when you get to your destination, you park your car, and all right, we're going to see who sees something first. Let's see. Cece, have you arrived?
Yes.
Where did you head to?
Um, a city area.
You want to go ahead and describe everything that you see and everything that's happening real quick?
Um, it's fairly busy. It's a lot of. It's a lot going on. Like a lot of different people, like types of people. I don't know. There's something happening. It's like a little. People are a little like um, on edge. Like even a little frenzied.
What do you see are they focused on something? Or are they focused on you? What do you see happening?
They're not focused on me. They don't pay me any attention really.
Uh-huh.
But they're like hurried and a little frenzied, like anxious.
What do they look like?
Everybody looks so different from one another.
What do you see that's different?
I don't
Do
know.
they
Just
do they look like different types of aliens, different types of hybrids, different types
everybody.
of what do you see?
I see a lady in a little one. I don't know. As I'm walking past them, they just, I can't put my finger on what's different about them. Um, I don't
Look
know.
at their
It's
eyes. What do their eyes look normal, human?
some of them
And what about others?
like shielded a little, as if there's like something over them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Like a reptile?
Yeah,
Do they look like they're reptilian hybrids, human?
they might be. I don't know.
Look at their skin. What does their skin look like? Are there spots on their skin or anything like that? What about the color as well?
I don't see spots.
Okay.
It's
Are they,
just
do they have lizard skin or anything? Tough?
they're you know how when you look on your skin, you can see all the little markings and scales, so to speak.
Yeah.
Theirs are just bigger.
Oh. More prominent?
It's just bigger little spaces. Not like ours, really tiny.
Oh.
Yeah, more prominent on this one.
Uh-huh.
And he can shield his eyes. He's doing it on purpose.
Really?
Yeah,
So
he
you're saying he could
knows.
shapeshift?
He knows that what he's doing that I can't see in.
Oh. Interesting. I want you to pull your compass out and tap your compass 3 times. And when you tap it 3 times, it's going to tell you the name of this place. Tap it 3 times and tell me, what does it say?
It's not giving me a names. Like, I don't know. It makes no sense.
What is it doing?
Letters and numbers.
What are the letters and numbers? Can you tell?
NEH 3221.
Is that it?
It's a symbol. It
It's
looks like
going to translate to something that you can understand. Uh-huh.
that's all I see. It's all it's saying.
Okay. I want you to try something. I want you to ask it, Are we on Nibiru? And tap it 3 times and tell me what does it say. Or say, am I on? Yeah, we. You could say we because you saw OG with you. So say, are we on Nibiru? And tap it 3 times and see if it says yes or no.
It said yes.
Awesome. So I want you to go ahead and explore where you are for a little bit, and I'm going to ask OG where he's at, and I'll come back to you, okay?